This is Atmosphere, a collection of 6 sweaters that come in a range of 9 sizes. Soft, light, and romantic, the Atmosphere collection celebrates the launch of the Fibre Co's brushed yarn, Cirro. In this collection you'll find delicate lace, elegant detailing, and easy, voluminous silhouettes that look just as special with jeans as they do with a party dress. Cirro is the first brush yarn offered by the Fibre Co. It's a sport weight yarn that combines the long, lustrous Surrey alpaca fiber with fine merino wool and organic cotton. Cirro is milled in southern Peru, the region that's home to the alpaca. The brushed effect is created by wrapping the merino and Surrey blend around an organic cotton binder thread to achieve a light and airy yarn perfectly balanced for body and drape. The fabric created by Cirro is delightfully soft with a slight halo. It's light as a feather and easily worn next to the skin. Each 50-gram hank has 225 meters. And there are currently 12 shades in the palette, some of which use a white organic cotton binder and other more saturated tones use a black binder thread. The stated tension is for 23 stitches over 10 centimeters on 4mm needles. However, a wide range of fabrics can be successfully achieved with tensions between 11 and 23 depending on the stitch pattern and the desired fabric. Now let's take a look at the 6 designs. First up is Umbriel, a folksy A-line pullover with delicate lace plackets at the chest and arms. Designed by Sylvia Watts Cherry, the body is knitted bottom up to the shoulders with short rose sleeve caps picked up and knitted seamlessly from the top down. Umbriel is soft and lightweight and has a very easy to wear tunic length. Umbriel takes between 4 and 7 hanks of Cirro, and the sample here is shown in the shade Divine. Patera is a lace yoke pullover with a high-low hem and balloon sleeves. It has an A-line silhouette and is worked seamlessly from the top down. Short rows are used to raise the back neck for a comfortable fit. Designed by Ririko, this special yet super wearable pullover is a wardrobe staple that you'll reach for over and over again. Patera takes between 4 and 8 hanks, and it's shown here in the shade Celestial. Ostrina is a lake yoke sweater with a relaxed funnel neck. It's knit seamlessly from the top down. The neck and yoke are cleverly shaped using needle size changes, wrap stitches, hidden pattern increases, and circular yoke shaping. It's designed by Allison Jane. This soft, romantic pullover takes between 5 to 10 hanks of Cirro, and it's shown here in the shade Noble. Chasma is a boxy, oversized cardigan with blouson sleeves and a deep V-neck. It's knitted in a gauzy fisherman's rib and uses a modular, join-as-you-go construction from the top down. Designed by Becky Baker in primarily Cirro, she introduces an end of canopy fingering into the rib trims for extra structure and softness. It's a perfect cardigan to snuggle up in as soon as the temperature drops. It takes between 5 to 8 hanks of Cirro in the shade Noble shown here, and 1 to 2 hanks of canopy fingering. Here used the shade Wild Ginger. Farah is a slouchy raglan sweater with an oversized fit and voluminous balloon sleeves. Knitted seamlessly from the top down, it features a dynamic honeycomb stitch that pops beautifully in brushed Cirro. It's elegant and simple. designed by Emma Duche, is perfect for lazy days when you still want to feel dressed up. It takes between 5 to 11 hanks of Cirro, and the sample shown in the shade Seraphic. Finally, it's Gaspra, a relaxed fit cardigan with an eyelet yoke and voluminous sleeves. This cozy sweater is designed by Natalie Warner. It's worked seamlessly from the bottom up using short rows to shape the sleeve cap. It's a pretty cardigan that serves as a very light layer due to the more open fabric that is created with a tension of 15 stitches over 10 centimeters. It uses between 3 and 7 hanks, and the sample here is shown in the shade Sublime. We hope you've discovered a design that you'd like to try from the Atmosphere collection. With 40% organic cotton in the blend, as opposed to the typical 80-20 mohair silk blends, Cirro is easy on the purse. Ask for Cirro at your favorite local or online stockist, or purchase directly from the Fibre Co's own online shop.